In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subpages in Notion. If you've ever felt your Notion workspace getting crowded, subpages are a simple way to keep things organized by nesting related pages under a main page. Start by going to notion.com in your browser. This keeps everything accessible without needing to install anything. Once you're there, click Login. If you're already signed in, you might be taken straight to your last workspace. No problem, you can still follow along from there. Next, proceed to the workspace you want to work on. If you have more than one workspace, make sure you're in the right one for this project. You'll typically see the workspace name at the top left and your pages listed in the sidebar. Think of the workspace as the container for all the pages you're organizing. Now look for the page you want to add a subpage to. This is the parent page, the one that will hold your new subpage. You'll find your pages in the left sidebar. If a section looks collapsed, expand it so you can see the page you're targeting. You can also search if your list is long. Choosing the right parent page now helps you avoid reorganizing later. When you've found the page, hover your mouse over its name in the sidebar and click the plus icon that appears. This small plus is specifically for creating a subpage nested under that parent. If you don't see it right away, move your cursor slowly over the page name or make sure the page group is expanded. Clicking this plus ensures the new page is placed exactly where you want it in your hierarchy. You'll be prompted to add a name for the subpage. Type a clear, descriptive title so you can find it easily later. Good names are short but specific. Think along the lines of meeting notes, Q1, or campaign assets rather than something vague. Consistent naming makes a big difference as your workspace grows. When you're happy with the name, click anywhere, that's it. The subpage is created and saved. You should see it appear indented beneath the parent page in the sidebar, showing that it's correctly nested. From here, you can continue organizing other subpages the same way, knowing each one stays neatly grouped under its parent. That's all you need to create subpages in Notion. Go to notion.com, click Login, proceed to your chosen workspace, find the right parent page, click the plus icon, add a name, and click anywhere to confirm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.